We're back in Module 4. This is Lesson 9 for signals. Let's look at our roadmap for today. During this presentation, we're going to cover what signals are, signal basics, the different types of signals, how to determine the appropriate signal, and figuring out how do we use them. So what are signals? A signal is a word or brief phrase placed in front of a citation to indicate how the cited authority relates to a proposition stated in the text. Signal basics. All signals must be underlined or italicized. Only capitalize the signal if it begins a citation sentence. For example, see also Prince v. State. Now, in this example, since the see also starts the citation sentence, we want to capitalize the S there. When signals are used with cases, both the signal and the case name must be underlined or italicized, as in the example above. If you are using underlining, break the underline between the signal and the case name. Do not use one continuous line to underline both. Take another look at the example above. Signal types. Support signals. Support signals are used when the cited authority directly or indirectly supports the proposition in the text. Below are the support signals. We have e.g., accord, see also, and cf. Signal types comparison. Use the comparison signal when the cited authority either supports or illustrates the proposition with the actual comparison made in an explanatory parenthetical. Below is the comparison signal. Compare. Contradiction. Use the contradiction signals when the cited authority directly or indirectly supports a proposition contrary to the proposition in the text. Below are contradiction signals. Contra, but see, but cf. Background. Use the background signal when the cited authority provides background information as to the proposition. See generally is going to be our signal using background information. Determining the appropriate signal. Signals must be chosen with care because each conveys a slightly different message to the reader. The most commonly used signal is no signal, meaning the citation given without authority, without any signal at all. Determining appropriate signals. When we're looking at e.g., when multiple authorities state the same proposition, it's rarely necessary to cite them all. Use e.g. signal followed by the citations to one or two of the best authorities. Accord. Use accord when one or more authority states or clearly supports the proposition, but the text only discusses one of them. Accord is most commonly used in string citations to show that prior cases in the same jurisdiction or the law of another jurisdiction states the same proposition. C. Use C when the authority supports but does not directly state the proposition. C is often referred to as an inferential or indirect support. Using C advises the reader that an inferential step must be taken between the proposition and the citations. See also. Use see also when cited authority supports the proposition but it will not be discussed. See also is primarily used in string citations when other authority directly supports the proposition. See generally. Use see generally when the cited authority gives background information that may be helpful but will not be discussed. See generally is often used in connection with a well-known legal rule or proposition. The writer first cites the proposition to one authority. The writer first cites the proposition to one authority and then cites additional authority using see generally. Let's talk about format for using signals. The signal will always go before the case name and a citation. The format is signal plus case name plus volume plus reporter name plus beginning page plus pinpoint page or pin site plus court plus year. For example, see Prince v. State, 74 Southwest Reporter, 3rd edition, 599, first page, 600 pin page, Arkansas Supreme Court, 2001. Important tip: pay careful attention to whether a citation directly or inferentially supports your proposition so you can choose the correct signal, or no signal at all. Now let's move on to your quiz for this lesson. Please take the quiz in Canvas Name Signals, and if you need assistance, please don't hesitate to ask your TAs.